Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 12th of January and कल जैसे मैंने बताया था कि कोलकाता में बहुत बारिश हो रही है. Let me just show you the view outside my window. It is chilly, yes, it is chilly a little. रात को और भी ठंडा हो जाएगा, I suppose. Let me just show you the view that I get to see from here. Here. Now I've opened my window from the bedroom and this is the view that I get to see. Look at the sky, all clear. And yes, it is chilly. I've opened the window and yes, it is a little chilly. Seems as if it's going to rain again today. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe it might rain. क्योंकि पापा तो बोल रहे थे कि शायद आज रात को 8 बजे तक बारिश हो सकती है. So let's see. Meanwhile, let me tell you, tomorrow is my mother-in-law's birthday and she's not at home. She has no idea what I have planned for her. So be in the vlog and see what all we do. Vishal and I, हम लोग क्या क्या करते हैं मम्मी को सरप्राइज करने के लिए. Like today I'm going to make her favorite dish. She loves momos. So I'm going to make momos, chicken momos and soup for her. I'm going to keep it ready before she comes. And मैंने उनके लिए गिफ्ट भी लिया है. Let me show you मैंने उनके लिए क्या क्या लिया है. So I didn't know, like, you know, I couldn't decide what to give क्योंकि you know, I had to think something कुछ different उनको दिया जाए so that she gets surprised. So मेरे को ये चीज़ पता है कि वो ओले यूज़ करती है and she doesn't uses, like my mom and my mother-in-law both, they don't use India वाला ओले. They both use USA imported Ole. This is something that needs to be imported from USA and ये आपको इंडिया में नहीं मिलेगा. So I placed an order beforehand only. मम्मी का भी बर्थडे के पहले, दोनों मम्मी के बर्थडे के पहले मैंने दिसंबर में ही ये चीज़ ऑर्डर कर लिया था ऑनलाइन. So I've got this one for her and one I gifted to my mom on my mom's birthday. So this is the USA imported Ole cream. ये मैंने उनके लिए एक ऑर्डर किया है. And there's this wonderful shawl that I came across. This is from the Pashmoda कंपनी and ये भी मैंने ऑनलाइन ही ऑर्डर किया मिंत्रा से मम्मी के लिए. तो मेरे को ये शॉल बहुत अच्छा लगा. दिस एंटायर शॉल, लाइक यू नो, ये जो वर्क है, दिस मरून वर्क इज टोटली ऑन द ऑन बेस. इसका पूरा ब्लू है एंड द वर्क इज हियर. ये this is like the pashmina material and shawls made up of pashmina material basically means that वो कश्मीरी shawls है and they are the best. And so this is something that I planned for her. I thought that this is something which is unique and this is something that I can gift her and she might like it. I fingers crossed, I'm just hoping that she loves it. And उनका favorite dishes मैं बना रही हूँ आज. बटर चिकन मैं बना रही हूँ. मैं रोटी जैसा डिनर है, that's like the normal dinner. And I'm making chicken momos and soup for her. Let's see if it doesn't rains. If nahi, वो तो sure ही है that Vishal and I we will be like going and, you know, purchasing a cake for her, but she has no idea that we're going to do that. And fingers crossed, I just hope everything goes well. I am now actually taking my classes. Let me show you. Like, this is my class का पूरा setup. My Google Meet is on. मेरे classes चल रहे हैं. So class लेने के बाद में I'll get back to you guys. So I am now done with my classes and अभी बज रहा है around, it is like around 6:20 in the evening and I'm sitting a little and then उसके बाद में I'll actually prepare थोड़ा snacks for Vishal because, you know, when he comes back home he feels like really hungry. So I'm going to prepare some snacks for him. I'm going to prepare his favorite dish, pasta, because he loves pasta. So मैं एक बार वो सब सेटअप कर लूँ फिर मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या चीज़ प्रिपेयर किया है. Secondly, I just got to know that my sister Chiquita, she's actually received a token of appreciation from the SEMA Institute for, mentoring the students and for speaking so well on the topics which was given to her. So congratulations to my sister Chiquita for being such a good speaker and at the same time being such a good mentor to the upcoming CIMA students. So kudos to my sister Chiquita. So अभी मैं quickly पास्ता का तैयारी करती हूँ और फिर मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So here I've actually, cut all the vegetables and I've kept everything ready. This is for the manchow soup that I will be making for the night. This is for pasta. This is the mixed sauce. I actually prepare such sauces and keep at home. This is the red and the white sauce mixed together, garlic and a little bit of parsley, and I'm going to make his snack ready. एंड मैंने यहाँ पे चिकन भी मैरिनेट करके रखा है फॉर द मोमोज एंड दिस इज लाइक द डो विच आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द मोमोज. द डो इज फर्स्ट आई सीजन माई पास्ता वेल with garlic, oil, spices, parsley, and then I stir it properly and then I add the sauce. Here is the pasta ready. I'm very much sure that Vishal's gonna be like very excited to see this. I'm gonna keep the pasta inside the microwave so that when he comes, I'm gonna warm it up and I'm gonna give it to him. Now I'm actually, sat to pack the gift because फिर इसके बाद में मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगी क्योंकि मम्मी पापा आ जाएंगे. So अभी मैं gift pack कर रही हूँ. And while I do it, then you all can watch me. I am now done with my packing and ये रहे gifts pack हो गए हैं and I'm now very excited because I'm gonna give her at 12 in the night and wish her happy birthday. Here now preparing the manchow soup and then I'm gonna prepare the momos. Now I'm actually assembling the momos and I am just wanting to show कि मैं कैसे assemble करती हूँ momos को. So here you go. Here I'm ready. Yummy. They've turned out to be the way I wanted it. Another set of momos which are going to go into the cooker. The soup is ready. Momos are ready for the birthday girl. Now it is tasting time. मम्मी पहले आप मोमो खाइए. सूप बहुत गरम है.
शेप और मोमो खाना ना आई.
टेस्टी है.
So tasty. लाजवाब.
So we had like a very good time. Everyone enjoyed the momo and as well as the soup. Butter chicken was also like very tasty. Everyone enjoyed it. And रात के 12 बज गए और फिर उसके बाद में मैंने अपनी मदर को विश किया, मम्मी को विश किया एंड शी बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द गिफ्ट्स एंड ऑल. सो कल हम लोग केक कटिंग करेंगे. सो आई विल शो यू एवरीथिंग लाइक व्हाइल शी इज़ कटिंग द केक एंड एवरीथिंग. बाकी आई एम गोना कंटिन्यू द व्लॉग टिल टुमारो so that I can show you other things also. And so stay tuned and I hope that you are enjoying my videos. Please do hit the like, share, comment, and subscribe button and stay tuned with me.